Hello kids, what's going on? I hope you are doing well. So kids, welcome to our today's lecture. Kids, it's our third lecture, and in this lecture we will learn a new concept of subtraction, and also we will proceed our previous concept of addition in a new manner. So let's get started without wastage of any time. Okay kids, okay, you see that we have four balls here, or four circles here. One circle, two circle, three, and four. We have four circles here. But you see that all of these circles are cutted. It means these have been carried out. We have excluded them. All of these circles are cutted. It means that then how many circles we have in remaining? In remaining, you see that we have nothing. So nothing means zero. So we have zero. Okay, four circles. We can also say four circles minus four equals to zero. 4 minus is the sign of subtraction. This procedure is called subtraction. If we take out something from the something, it means we have subtracted. So this is the concept of subtraction. Okay, so the sign of subtraction is minus. This it is called minus sign. Okay, so it is read as 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, you see guys that here are 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And how many circles are taken out? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You see that we have 10 circles and 9 circles are taken out, so we have in remaining only one circle. This is one circle, only one circle. So it means that 10 minus 9 equals 1. Okay, we have three circles here. 1, 2 and 3. Three circles here. And you see that one circle is carried out. One circle is taken out. It is removed from here. So we have in remaining these circles. These circles. So how many are these? 1, 2. Two circles. It means that 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3, it is written as 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay, next you see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 circles. And how many are removed? 1, 2. 2 circles are removed. Then how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. These are 3 circles are remaining. 3 circles are left. So it is read as and written as 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay. Next, how many circles are these? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 circles in total. And how many are removed? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 circles are removed, 4 circles are subtracted. So how many are remaining? 1, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles are remaining, 6 circles have been left. So we say that 10 minus 4 equals to 6. 10 circles minus 4 circles equals to 6 circles. Okay. Next is, you see, these are also 10 circles. We have counted them in previous picture, so we'll not count them here. These are 10 circles. How many are removed? 1, 2, and 3. Now, how many circles are remaining? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 circles left. So we can say here 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay. You see that here are 10 circles. These are 10 circles. Okay, so we have removed here one circle. Then how many circles are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 circles. Count them again. I give you 1 minute. So these are 9 circles left. We can say here that 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Okay kids, these are 10 circles. And you see that I have removed no circles from these 10 circles. So I have as it the all the circles. So 10 minus nothing. Nothing means 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. I have nothing because I have nothing taken out, so there is no effect on the counting of these circles. So 10 minus nothing, it means 10 minus 0 equals to 10. So when we subtract nothing from something, then it doesn't affect on that thing. The answer is always equals to that thing. So it means that when we subtract 0 from any digit, the answer is always equals to that digit. So we can also say that 6 minus 0 equals to 6, 7 minus 0 equals to 7, 3 minus 0 equals to 6, 3. So basically when we subtract 0 from anything, the answer is always equal to that thing. Okay, kids, it's your assignment work. These are you will count that how many circles are these in total and how many circles are removed. Then you will tell me that how many circles are remaining. It's very easy, it's not difficult. You have been practiced a lot of time, I have told you. So I hope you can do this in a better way. Okay, it's the second work of your homework. You will count how many circles are these and how many circles are removed, and you will say how many circles are left. So it's also very easy. You see that only there is one circle, so I hope you can count them very easily. Okay, kids, now we move to the story questions. We solve the questions through stories, through statements. If I'll tell you that Dallas mother gives 6 apples in front of her and she eats 3 apples, then how many apples are left? As I have told many times that if we have how many apples, how many left or how many remaining, it means that we have to do subtraction in that question. Alright, if we have the statement like how many left, how many remaining, then we use the operation of subtraction here. Okay, we will do subtraction here. So let's solve this story. What is the answer of this? I said that Della has 6 apples in front of him. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. And she eats 3 apples. She eats 3 apples. Okay, 1, 2, 3. She eats 3 apples. These 3 apples are taken out. So we have only these apples in remaining. 1, 2 and 3. We have only 3 apples in remaining. So she has 6 apples and she eats 3 apples. So I write it like 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. So she has 3 apples left. Okay. Let's move to another question. Okay, if there are 5 balls in total and 3 balls are removed or are carried out from here, then how many balls are left or how many balls are remaining? So let's solve them. Here also use the statement of remaining, so we will use subtraction here. So let's we have 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 balls and 3 balls are removed. 1, 2, 3. These 3 balls are removed. Then how many? I removed them. These 3 are removed. Okay, these 3 are removed. So how many have we left? 1, 2. We have only 2. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. We have 2 balls. Okay, next is if Sarah receives 2 balls from her sister and she receives 3 balls from her brother, then how many balls she has altogether? As you can see that here is not used the statement of that how many are left, how many are remaining. Here is the statement is we have to find all together how many balls are all together. So we will not use the operation of subtraction here. Rather, we will use the operation of addition that we have do in our previous lecture. So when we have the statements like in all, in total, in all together, so then we will use the operation of addition. You have to learn this. You have to keep in your mind that if you have the statements like in all, in total, in all together, you have to do addition. But if you have the statements like remaining or left, then you have to do subtraction. So this is the question of addition. So let's do 2 balls. She receives 2 balls from her sister and 3 balls from her brother. Then how many are all together? These are all together balls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 balls in total. Again, the last question. You have to do this question by yourself. I have solved them. Then you have to understand it by yourself. Okay, I will not explain it in front of you. You have to do this question by yourself. I have solved it in front of you. So it is your assignment that you have to do this question. This question is there are five blackboards in one class and four blackboards in another class, then how many blackboards are in total? So this is also the question of addition, you can see here. So you have to solve it. Rather, I have solved it, but you have to understand it. Okay kids, thank you. I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture. It is very interesting. And kids, I have been asking you that please keep practicing these questions. Okay, in these questions and the previous lectures that I have told you, keep practicing all of these. Keep practicing your counting numbers. uh, okay, thank you.